Hello! Greetings! Welcome to Daika's Car Toy and Anime Action Figure. It's turntable time! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have another beautiful action figure on our turntable. This one is Miss Lunch. You see two action figure, but actually this is only one person. Um, she's a part of the Dragon Balls. Okay, let me just give you a little bit information about this beautiful action figure while we're staring here on our turntable. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Lunch is a woman with a strange disorder which changes between two personality each time she sneezes. Her first personality is a sweet blue-haired woman who is per pure heart. Her other personality is an angry tiger, happy blonde woman who commits crime for fun and is quick to respond with gunfire. When angered, neither of lunch personality remember the other action or anything they said. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Appearance lunch outfit changed often, but all included a red ribbon in her hair. Lunch initial appearance consists of a light green belly bearing tank top. Beautiful. Yellow short, brown fingerless gloves, and red shoes. Beautiful. Sworn with green socks. Lunch primary appearance changed during the general blue Zega to a pink tank top and black pair of pants with knee pads in the 22 World Martial Arts Tournament. She wore a black shirt with green pants during the 23rd World Martial Arts Tournament. She wore a red dress, which was disliked by her bad health. Beautiful. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is small um, information about our action figure on our turntable. Just want to invite everybody to watch the first part of the video, that unboxing of this beautiful action figure. Please follow me too on my you can see everything on my YouTube account or my YouTube channel, Jun Sure. Junzori. That's my YouTube channel. Regarding topic is about diecast car toy and action figure from anime. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I just want to remind everybody, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive. Bye.